What's up, mi gente? Today we are going to be unboxing the Insta Pot, and I am so excited. Let's see what's inside. Perfection plus more. Let's see. So as soon as we finally open up the box, the first thing that we're going to be seeing is an extra seal. Now on to the good stuff. And finally, the moment that we've all been waiting for. Let's start unwrapping this Insta Pot. There is the spout, the open and close handle, and the digital screen. Take a look, take a look. We have the seal and the vent, open and close. It was super smooth. All right, so here we have our precautions and our manuals. And our cooking rack with handles, which can be extremely handy to take our dishes out of there. And it's also really light. Now onto our pot. It is pretty big. Also seems to have really great quality. Look at that perfect fit. And the burner. Now let's reassemble so that you can see how it would go. First, we would put in our pot, then our rack, depending on what we're cooking. I just showed you guys how the extra seal would look on there. But remember, it's only extra. It already comes with one. And the lid. Very smooth to open and close. As always, for more, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you next time.